This is Jack and Bea. We're going to count how many fidgets we have.
So we've got quite a few fidgets.
Yeah.
So Jack's going to take them out one by one and count them.
One.
So we've got a snake.
One.
A water snake.
One. Two.
Two, dinosaur poppet.
Three.
Three, normal poppet.
Four.
Square poppet. Four. Five.
Six.
Six.
Seven.
Seven.
Eight.
Eight.
Nine.
Nine.
10.
10.
11.
11.
12.
12.
13.
13.
14.
14.
15.
15.
16.
16.
17.
17.
18.
18.
19.
19.
20.
20. Hang on.
21. 22.
22. We've got this mini tangle, that's 23.
24.
24.
25.
25.
26.
26.
27.
27.
28.
28.
29.
29.
30.
30.
31.
31.
32.
32.
33.
33.
34.
34.
35.
35.
36.
36.
37.
37. Stretching.
38.
38. Pop it.
39.
39.
40.
40.
41.
41. It's lights up.
42.
42.
43.
43. Bike chain. And 44. So he's got 44 fidgets in total, and he's got quite a few poppets, as you could see. And yeah, hopefully you liked this video, and if you would be able to comment down below what videos we should do, because, and when I'm not here, what videos Jack should do, because we need ideas, because we've only just started YouTube, and so yes, we need a few ideas.
And I just started YouTube, and I'm not old enough. I'm only 6 and she's 9.
I'm 9, and so we need help deciding what videos we need to do. So please, please, please comment if you can. But if you can't, don't worry.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys next time we film.
Yeah.
Bye.